What's up, guys? Got this Coleman, little Coleman. What is this? CK100-S. Coleman CK100-S. Cool little buggy for small kids. Comes with harnesses, hydraulic brakes. Nice little buggy. But they bought it and the motor's locked up. Don't know why, don't know how, but I'm gonna take it apart. It was bought used, so no warranty, but it's brand new. Somebody bought it. I noticed this sticker, return center. Somebody bought it and sent it back, and then whoever bought it for my neighbor's kid, they rode it for 2 hours, run great, started first pull, and then it just locked up. So I'm gonna take it apart and see what's up with it. Stay tuned. Got the motor off. Typical 4 bolts, throttle cable, kill switch. Pretty neat little setup on the jack shaft top system they got set up here. It's got a regular clutch. It goes to gear reduction and down to the sprocket. Let's take this cover off and see what's up. Found the carnage that caused the deadness. Here's this part. It's supposed to hold your rod onto your crank, and it is no longer attached. So, new motor it is. What's up, guys? We in Harbor Freight. Gonna get a motor for the little go-kart, little Coleman. Broke a rod. Got Hazy Daisy live. Always like to stroll around and see what I can find. Check out the tools. Anybody who hasn't been to Harbor Freight. That looks like what we need right there. 79 cc. We need the 212. I like the 301 or the 420. But we're gonna grab one of these. $99, 79 cc, and run with it. All right, got the motor in the car. Headed back to the house. It takes longer to come down here and get the motor than it does to change it out. That's bad. But I'll see y'all in just a minute. Back at the house. Here we go. Alright guys, we got it running. Got the motor on there, perfect match. Excellent. Fires right up, I hope. Might have to edit.
It's got a guy pulling up on a KLX.
Get a little high.
Look over that U-Haul truck. thing. He about flipped it, didn't he? He about flipped that thing out there, Sean.
Well, actually we're built to a go-kart today.
Okay, that sounds like fun.
Be live streaming it.
It'll be on live stream. Let's check it out.
Okay, I will definitely do that. With the card he gave me, right?
Yep.
All right. Y'all have a great night.
You too. Cool. New subscribers. Local subscribers. Tulo, how do you feel about your local subscribers?
Great, yeah.
He says great, oh yeah. Got to keep the local people happy. Keep them in your videos because they love it. It's probably the beard. It's bringing all the new subscribers. What do you think? Yeah. It's the beard. So,
I remember, I know why he said maybe a cookout, because Kylie said it.
yeah, Kylie's got a cookout going. She invited me. Kylie, thank you for inviting me to your cookout. I hope you have your mom go get some food. Because I don't think she didn't sound like she knew about the cookout.
Kylie's the host of it.
Kylie is the host of the cookout. So, anyway, tomorrow night, well, I can't say tomorrow night because I'm not live. We're going to the compound tomorrow and working on the Yama-dog. Thank you, buddy. Got my fries. Time to go to the house. We're going to work on the Yama-dog and get a roller. We're gonna hopefully make a roller out of it. But we done some work on it the other day. Got a new cart in. Y'all check it out right here in this clip.
Uh-oh.